Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 46th video in Python GUI application development with PyQt5. So in the previous video we have created a simple application project that and we have used QList widget. You can add items, you can edit items, for example you can delete items, you can sort and close the application. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a table widget in PyQt5. So I have created a new Python file and I'm going to just copy my window code and paste it in here. So let me change the title to QTable widget like this, and now in here, so I want to first I need some imports. Let me just add I want to add a Q so okay, first let me add a Q widget. Also I need a Q table widget. I need a Q table widget item. Q widget. Okay, so now in here the first thing I want to create a method of creating tables. So we need to create our table widget object. So Q table widget. Okay, like this. Now after this you need to add the row and column for your table. So table widget dot set row count to 5 and table widget dot set column count to 3. Okay, now we have set the row count and column count, and now we are going to add the items to our table widget, so to the row and columns. Now table widget dot set item. So now you need to give the row and column, so and also you need to give the table widget item. So this has name. Let me just copy this, and I will copy a lot in this video. So this is another one. In column 2 I want email, and also okay, and in another column I want to add phone number. Okay, like this. So before adding more in this, let me just create my VBox layout in here. So VBox Q VBox layout. I think I need to add a Q VBox layout in here first. Q VBox layout. So Q VBox layout. And now I want to add this table widget to the VBox layout. So VBox dot add widget, and I want to add the table widget, and you need to set cell dot set layout to the VBox, and let me just run this. So okay, I need to call this method in here. Cell.creating tables. Okay, now just run this. So now you can see I have a table for name, email, and phone. Also give a width of 400 for this. Okay, now we have columns, and now we need to add some items and rows to our list. Table widget dot set item. Okay, now in here you need to give the row and column numbers and queue table widget item. So the first name I want to add, for example, John, and let me copy this, so paste it in here, and change now the columns, and this is for the Gmail email address, john@gmail.com. And let me copy once more, make it 22, and for example I'll give a random phone number like this. And now let me just check this. Let me give a number like this. Okay, now you can see we have our first item in here. So make this, so let me just add in the first one. So let me change these, not 0, 1, 1, make it 1. Okay, now we have these items in here, this item. So you can add more. Let me just add once more in here, and I want to change all to 2, 2, and 2, and change this to, for example, my name, and change the email address, and change the phone number. So now you can see I have another item in my table widget. So like this you can create the table widget. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.